In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit money inside of Vantage markets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to vantagemarkets.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, you'll simply need to log into your account or create an account if you don't already have one. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go down to total assets estimate, and here you'll see a total estimate of all of your accounts. Now from here, you'll simply need to go right underneath that, where you'll be able to see this black box called deposit. Once you click on that, it should be looking something like this, where you can see deposit funds over here. Once from here, you'll need to make sure that you have completed the verification to open up a live account. If you don't have that, you'll not be able to deposit any form of currency over to your Vantage account. Once from here, you'll simply need to choose the specific account that you want to deposit the money to, and here you'll need to choose how much you want to deposit. Once from here, you can also add a voucher if you want to do that, and once from here, you'll simply need to click continue. Also need to say that deposit will be added within 24 hours once deposit is successfully. Once from here, you'll need to select the deposit method, where you'll need to choose either crypto or a credit card, how you're willing to pay for this deposit. But that's how you do it. If you have questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!